In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Notion. Let's set things up first. Open your browser and go to notion.com, click login, then choose the workspace you want to work on. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to use keyboard shortcuts. Everything we do next will happen right inside that page, so keep it open and follow along. Throughout this tutorial, remember that on Windows you'll use the Control key and on Mac you'll use the Command key for the same shortcuts. Let's start with quick text formatting. To make text bold, press Control or Command plus B. This is perfect for headings or important calls to action. For emphasis, without overpowering the text, use italics with Control or Command plus I. If you need to underline something for clarity or structure, press Control or Command plus U. When you want to display short snippets of code or highlight a keyword, use inline code with Control or Command plus E. You'll see the text switch to a mono-spaced style that stands out neatly. Understanding how Notion handles lines versus blocks will make editing smoother. Press Enter to create a new block. Think of blocks as separate content elements that you can move around. If you just want a line break inside the same block, like a new line inside a paragraph, press Shift plus Enter. This keeps your formatting tidy without splitting your content. To speed up building your page, open the slash menu by typing a /. This reveals a powerful list of block types and commands you can insert without touching the mouse. For quick lists, type a dash and press space to create a bullet list, great for ideas and notes. To start a numbered list, type the number 1, a period, and a space. Notion will automatically continue the numbering as you go. For tasks, type square brackets followed by a space to create a to-do list, then click the checkbox to mark items complete. When you're navigating larger workspaces, use Control or Command plus P to quickly search pages. This opens Notion's quick find so you can jump anywhere without breaking your flow. If you need a fresh canvas, press Control or Command plus N to create a new page instantly. And if you prefer a different look, toggle between light and dark mode with Control or Command plus Shift plus L, handy for late night sessions. That's it for today's shortcuts. Practice a few of these and they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.